Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2015 GMC Sierra. The Sierra is featured in a brown paint finish. It includes features such as our 40/20/40 premium cloth front bench seat. We have our black assist steps, black alloy wheels with all-terrain tires, skid plates, a trailer tow package with integrated brake controller, as well as our lined bed and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle. Below are power locks as well as power windows and our rear window and child safety lock. In the rest of the door we have some additional storage as well as our speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel we have our integrated trailer brake controller. All of the controls for our lighting controls are next to that. Manual settings on our driver's seat, which is finished in our dark ash cloth. You can see we have the 3 seats in the front with our center console folding up. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have our digital speedometer. Left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings. Tow mode is on our shifter on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system. We have our audio, phone connection, OnStar navigation, as well as our settings. Below it, we have our single zone climate control, traction control, and our high bed lighting. Transfer case is on the floor. You can see that we have neutral, 2 high, 2 low, as well as 4 high. Then we have our center console, which functions as our third front seat as well. 3 cup holders, a storage in the center. You can see on the front a 12-volt plug, SD slot, 2 USBs, and an auxiliary input. Folding it up by simply pressing on the front, you can see that it's finished in the same dark ash as our other seats. Passenger seat, also the dark ash finish. And lastly, above the rear view mirror, we have all of our high dome lighting, our controls for the dome lights for the whole vehicle, as well as our sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we can see we have a black alloy rim with a black Chevrolet bow tie center cap, as well as our all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have black finish mirror caps, as well as black door handles and a black assist step. Back of the vehicle, we have our corner bumper steps. All the way around to the back, we have our trailer hitch in the center, Sierra and GMC badging on either side. Opening into the rear of the vehicle, we can see that we have cable tie downs in the front and the back, as well as a black finished spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window controls, as well as some storage, and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle, we have storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. Moving to our seats in the second row, we can see they are finished in our dark ash cloth. In the center of the 3 seats, we have 2 foldable cup holders. We can flip up all these seats by simply pulling up on the bottom to make some additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2015 GMC Sierra. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.